Have you ever encountered that unexpected error on Instagram? Well, no need to fret, we've got you covered. In today's guide on how to fix Instagram's unexpected error problem, we will take you through the simple steps to get you back on track in no time. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. So head to your app store, search for Instagram, and hit that update button. Keeping the app up to date often resolves various issues. Next up, let's clear the app cache. If you're using an Android device, go to your phone settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate Instagram, and clear the cache. This simple step can help get rid of any temporary glitches. Now, if the issue persists, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. Just delete the app from your device, head back to the App Store, and reinstall Instagram. This can often fix problems related to corrupted app files. And here's an extra tip. If none of these steps work, consider reporting the error directly to Instagram. They might have specific insights into the problem or be able to provide additional guidance. So by following these simple steps, updating the app, clearing the cache, reinstalling Instagram, and reporting the issue if needed, you should be well on your way to fixing that unexpected error on Instagram. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.